This is the best builder's ceiling fan. We're gonna run it on high, medium, and low. First is high. It flies on high. Sounds like an engine.
It's shiny in the light. You've shined it up so well. Thank you. I didn't even notice it till I looked through the video. Looks great, Nathan. Alright, slow it down.
Here's medium, guys. 3, 2. It's like an airplane motor. It buzzes really bad on high. It's like, it sounds like an engine, a propeller. And, like, this is medium right now.
Alright, cut it down.
Now, this is low speed. The lampshade is like really vibrating.
What kind of fan is that?
A Best Builder's ceiling fan.
Huh.
And they don't make these anymore. This is from 2000. This got put up in the house from 2005. And it looked like there was something there in the ceiling. Must have been just a light.
Yeah, I can see that. I never noticed it before, but
Slow speed.
it looks like the paint is different
It's slow speed.
from the ceiling. Alright, now cut it off and